This is how the worst criminals are broken. First, strip the prisoner naked. Smash a block of ice into sharp chunks. To make their suffering unbearable, they're forced into a wooden barrel. The ice is dumped inside. A heavy lid locks their neck in place, trapping them completely. Only their head is left exposed, so the pain lasts longer. A strong strap ensures no escape, no matter how hard they fight. Within seconds, the cold burns like fire. Their body goes stiff, face twisted in agony. Nearby, another prisoner slumps weak and half dead in the icy water, but death would be too kind. A doctor checks them, keeping them just alive enough. Then, guards douse them in boiling water, shocking their frozen skin. The scalding heat is worse than the ice. When the torture ends, they're thrown into a pitch-black cell. Sometimes, even the faintest light vanishes. Left in endless dark, their only company is terror.